Reflect on how your living arrangement plays into your daily life. Identify specific aspects that matter most to you, such as proximity to work, social amenities, and community ambiance. Your environment directly impacts not only your routine, but also your state of mind and overall happiness. Evaluate whether these factors lean toward the transient nature of renting or the stability of ownership. Engage with these considerations deeply, as they will be crucial in informing your decision-making process. The more aligned your choice is with your priorities, the better equipped you will be to embrace your new living situation with confidence and ease. As you navigate through these factors, don't underestimate the importance of potential future changes in your life. Reflect on what new roles you might embrace, be it career advancements or growing family dynamics, which can significantly affect your housing needs. Picture yourself balancing work-life obligations while managing a household. Understanding these shifts will refine your perspectives on homeownership and renting alike. Further explore your financial readiness by assessing your savings and income stability. Consider how much you can comfortably allocate towards housing without compromising your other financial goals, like saving for retirement or emergency funds. A detailed budget review will illuminate areas where you can stretch or limit your spending, thus informing whether you're in a position to buy or if it would be more prudent to rent for the time being. In doing so, you'll discover whether your current financial state supports a long-term commitment or if a more flexible renting option aligns better with your reality. Balancing this assessment with your emotional readiness will enhance your clarity, guiding you to a choice that feels both feasible and fulfilling. As you gather insights about your financial capabilities, think critically about your credit score and how it might influence your buying potential. A higher score often equates to better mortgage rates, which can save you money in the long run. Conversely, if your credit score needs improvement, this might extend your timeline for purchasing and reinforce the necessity of renting for now. Pay close attention to these details, as they play a pivotal role in determining your readiness and options in the housing market. Remember, securing a favorable position in homeownership isn't just about finances. It involves a comprehensive understanding of your unique situation. Understanding your credit situation will give you a clear picture of how it blends with your financial landscape. If you find that your score is on the lower end, consider the benefits of renting as an opportunity to focus on improvement strategies. Use this period to not only save, but also to enhance your credit profile by paying down debts and making timely payments. This proactive approach could eventually position you as a stronger candidate for better mortgage options, allowing you to step confidently into homeownership when the time is right. As you contemplate the balance between renting and buying, think about the nuances of each lifestyle choice. Renting often offers flexibility and fewer maintenance responsibilities, allowing for adaptability during uncertain times. In contrast, homeownership provides a sense of permanence and the potential for investment growth, but comes with its own set of challenges. The key is to assess not just these immediate benefits, but also how each choice aligns with your evolving life trajectory. By establishing a clear connection between your values and the lifestyle you envision, you can make a more informed decision that sets a solid foundation for your future. This holistic approach takes into account both personal desires and practical realities, enabling a sustainable living situation that resonates with who you are and what you aim to achieve. As you explore these options, remember the importance of seeking advice from trusted sources, such as financial advisors or real estate professionals. Engaging with individuals who have experience in the market can provide you with invaluable insights and diverse perspectives. They can help clarify misconceptions and highlight crucial details that might influence your decision-making process. Furthermore, sharing your thoughts with friends or family who have faced similar choices can foster a deeper understanding of your own priorities. This supportive dialogue not only encourages personal reflection, but can also bring to light considerations you may not have previously thought about. Ultimately, the goal is to gather different viewpoints that can help bolster your confidence as you make this significant choice regarding your living situation. As you continue to reflect on these factors, don't lose sight of the importance of lifestyle compatibility. Consider not only your current preferences, but also how these may shift with life's natural progression. Are you drawn to a vibrant urban environment teeming with activities? Or do you envision serene suburban streets? The allure of a bustling city might fade as you crave tranquility and space for future family growth, thus influencing your decision. Assessing these aspects will ensure that your chosen living situation complements your evolving identity and lifestyle choices, enabling you to thrive in your new environment while aligning with your dreams. As you weigh these considerations, remember that your choice is not just a financial transaction. It's a vital decision that shapes your overall lifestyle. The sense of security and belonging that comes with a home can deeply influence your day-to-day experiences and long-term satisfaction. Think about how each option will cater to not only your immediate needs, but also your aspirations for a fulfilling life. Emphasizing the balance between financial viability and emotional contentment will empower you to navigate this journey with clarity and purpose. Visualize a future where your living situation reflects both your values and goals, setting a foundation for personal growth and stability. Ultimately, this process will guide you to a decision that isn't just about bricks and mortar, but about crafting a life that genuinely resonates with who you are. As you envision this future, take a moment to explore how your housing choice may impact relationships. Will you have space for friends or family gatherings, or will the constraints of renting limit those interactions? Understanding these dynamics is crucial, as they contribute to your overall happiness and social fulfillment. Cultivating spaces that foster connection can significantly enrich your experience, whether in rented accommodations or a purchased home. Let this extensive reflection lead you to a choice that harmonizes with your life and aspirations. Ultimately, your living situation is more than just a place to reside. It's a cornerstone for your life's journey. Choose wisely, as this decision will echo through your future, shaping not only your financial landscape, but also your sense of belonging and fulfillment.